while a lot of you were coming for Funke Akindele for celebrating her birthday and for posting her picture, I hope you guys know that during that same time, a guy called Juicy Jeff was sponsored by this same Funke Akindele to go and learn videography and photography at London Films Academy. That's huge. That's noble. It is not only when they are controversial that we have to speak about them. When they do something great, we have to talk about them too. Even though some of us still feel that backlash was not necessary. It was her birthday. Do you understand? And celebrating herself does not mean that she's not celebrating the dead or that she's not going to miss the actor or legend that died. Do you understand? But while I was thinking about all of this, I came to something. I said, oftentimes, when the celebrities do something good, they don't trend. But once there is something controversial, maybe when somebody has a bone to pick with them, those are the ones that trend mostly. So I went on my phone and I did some research and I said, I am going to try and tell these people about who Funke Akindele is, because a lot of you seem to have forgotten. So I went and made some research and this is what I've come up with. And I want you to know that there are still more, but I might not be able to cover all of them here. So let's talk about our major achievements. And like I said, this is from my own research, so they might not be 100% correct. But number one, Funke Akindele is one of Nollywood's most decorated actresses. She holds the record for the most AMVCA wins by an actress with 6 wins. African Movie Academy Award winner. She won the AMA for Best Actress in a Leading Role for Jennifer. She created the iconic Jennifer character, turning Jennifer into one of the most recognizable characters in Nigerian pop culture. Anybody that knew me while growing up, they know that Jennifer character, there was even a time my friends would call me Jennifer because I loved it so much and I still love it. She built the Jennifer franchise, including Jennifer's Diary, which became one of Nigeria's most popular comedy series. Of course, she's an award-winning producer and director, proving that her talent goes far beyond acting. She's Nollywood box office powerhouse. Her films have repeatedly broken Nigerian cinema records. By February 2026, reports put the cumulative box office earnings of her film at over 7.6 billion naira, making her Nigeria's highest grossing director. Wow. Another one, she has been behind several major blockbusters, including Omogeto the Saga, Battle on Booker Street, A Tribe Called Judah, Everybody Loves Jennifer, and Behind the Scenes. Another one, A Tribe Called Judah became the first Nollywood film to cross 1 billion naira at the Nigerian box office. Let's go again. Everybody Loves Jennifer subsequently broke the record and became the highest grossing Nigerian film at the time, eventually earning close to 1.88 billion, meaning she beat her own record, right? Then, Behind the Scenes continued her box office dominance, reportedly becoming the highest grossing Nollywood film ever and crossing to 2 billion naira in under 4 weeks. She was appointed UNAIDS National Goodwill Ambassador for Nigeria, using her platform to support HIV awareness, prevention, and the fight against stigma. Funke Akindele has received major honors, including a Silverbird Special Achievement Award, Africa Cinema Summit Legacy Award, and Best of Nollywood Special Recognition Award. She has also received international recognition, including being named by the Hollywood Reporter among influential women in international film. Beyond the screen, she founded the Jennifer Foundation, focused on empowering young people through skills and development. You see, Funke Akindele is one person that many actors have confirmed that she gave them their major breakthrough in the movie industry. Just recently, I still saw a woman who came out to say that she never knew Funke would be this big, that if she knew, she wouldn't have given up on her, blah, blah, blah. I didn't really watch that interview, so I don't want to be mistaken. And I've also seen people who have come out to say that one of the highest paying actor or directors in the movie industry is Funke Akindele. When they say all of these good things, I hope that we can actually make them trend more than picking or poking holes into things that they do. Funke Akindele is one person that I respect, that I love, and I realize that she's usually being misunderstood. And it hurts me because beyond all of the things that a lot of us are being fed on social media is a woman who is a force to reckon with, a star a talented writer, a talented producer, a talented director, and a talented entertainer. Funke Akindele is a great dancer. She's a beautiful mother. She's somebody that I respect and I love. And I understand that there is nobody without flaws, but I hope that we can celebrate these people much more than we backlash them or than we talk down on them. She's an achiever.
Èèyàn wa mà ti gbọ́ àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ yìí tí arábìnrin yìí sọ nípa òṣèrébìnrin Fúnkẹ́ Akíndélé àti olóògbé Táíwò Hassan Ọmọkúnlódò tí gbogbo wa mọ̀ sí Ògògó. Èèyàn wa kí ni ohun tí ẹ lérò lórí ọ̀rọ̀ tí arábìnrin yìí sọ nípa Fúnkẹ́ Akíndélé báyìí o.
And either you like it or not, she's successful, and I hope that sticks.